tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Innocentia Huitsimang Masingi. Yo, Lenaliti. Anyways, welcome to my channel, guys. Like, I'm so embarrassed. Like, guys, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so sorry, guys. Probably, yeah, and last 9 minutes of music and all, you were like, this girl is so silent, this girl is not saying anything. But guys, like, it's the next day, it's the tomorrow of it. Like, that was done yesterday. So I'm just basically here to welcome you guys back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, welcome, guys. We're growing. We are growing, guys. Like, we're on 30 subscribers. Lena, I'll tell her, like, there's the two of you watching me. But anyways, yeah, welcome, guys. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome. My day one, my slaves, welcome, guys. I'm tired, guys. Like, I'm exhausted. I was so busy yesterday, I didn't even like have time to sit down with you guys and talk to you, because by the time I was ready to talk, I had to cook. Well, we had to cook. So yeah, so today we just came back from church. It's been like a few hours. We came back from church and we passed by ShopRite to get some supplies for the week. So yeah, we exhausted today. There's nothing much, guys. I'm just gonna what is gonna happen? My husband has marking to do, like until setting, or like, why please explain. Baby, do you want to explain yourself? You don't want to explain yourself? He doesn't want to explain himself, guys. Why I know he's taking a nap. Mar. Baby. Oh my god. Yo, guys, I shame, no. My baby's right here taking a nap, guys. Like, we exhausted. So yeah, now there's nothing really much to do except the dishes and cooking. So we'll see how the day goes. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, my husband asked for morojo today, so we're gonna cook that, and chicken and pap. Yeah, we're gonna cook that. Anyways, guys, like, how you guys have been? Like, give me sis, guys, address me correctly. Guys, toilet the cool. I'll tell one. Your toilet is very far, guys. Lambona Mara, like, do you see me? Like, do you see me? I'm such an idiot. But yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, yeah, I haven't uploaded a vlog in a while. So I was sick. We were down with flu for like 2 weeks. So now we're just getting back, yeah, to our feet. We're just getting better now. So I thought, yesterday I was doing some home chores with my husband. I was like, let me vlog it. I'm a wife after all. These are the things we do, you know. So let me just share that part of my life and not share going out a lot, because we don't go out a lot, guys. We're a very, very boring couple. We just go to church and we come home. Like, home is our safe space. Home is our sanctuary. Home is like our peace, you know. But don't come without making an appointment just because. So yeah, guys, we just love staying home. We go out, yes, but yeah, not that much. But now we just want to incorporate that. We just want to go out, have fun, and do things that newlyweds do. Yeah, so we'll see what the journey takes us. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got from ShopRite. It's nothing much. So I got this don't know if you'll see it. Yeah, see, I will come back to you guys and tell you how it is. So yeah, I got the pants, you know, Colgate, Aquafresh, nothing much. New toothbrush, guys. Don't use the same toothbrush for like 6 months. Change your toothbrush at least every month or after every 2 months. And I want to try this also, because the one I used to wash my face is Ifedile, so I thought I should try something new. I'm hoping that my face will like it, because my face, yeah. And this girl, guys, this girl is the girl she thinks she is, okay? Like, this girl treats my face so good and so moist. Like, I tell you, when I'm done moisturizing my skin with this thing, it stays moisturized the whole day. It's just that now, because it's winter, you got to put more effort in your skin, your facial, what yeah, but your face must be popping, because winter now, we need extra moisture. It needs that extra moisture. So yeah, I'm hoping this thing, yeah. And we got soap for my husband, because we got two of those, because like he doesn't like shower gels, guys. He doesn't, so we get him soaps. And also I bought myself these two beautiful things. Like, look at it, gorgeous, babe. I got two, guys. I got a black one and this one in this color. I wanted this other one, but my husband was like, nah, it won't look good on you. So I was like, let me just listen for the first time in my life. Let me just listen, guys. Guys, I listen to my husband. Yeah. So yeah, that's all that I got. Now let me do the dishes. Let me do the dishes and start cooking. Today load shedding bar 10, but now I don't believe these people. Like, load shedding for them can start anytime, any day, like, so now let's cook, and hopefully, I don't know if I'll help my husband with making, but if I do, I will show you guys. But if I don't, he's on his own. Who said he must bring work to home? Who? So guys, we won. So yeah, guys, let's go do work, and we'll chat later. We'll chat soon. Maybe I'll cook with you guys, or I'll show you the end product. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see, guys. I missed you guys so much, eh? Like, I missed you so much. Like, when I don't pick up the phone and vlog, I feel like something is missing. Well, that's a lie. That's a lie. But I did miss talking to you guys. When I started this channel, I was like, yo, Mar, where am I gonna get the courage to expose my life on camera like this? Like, I used to see content creators, YouTubers, and I was like, one day I want to do this, but the courage was not there. But once again, the Lord says at the right time I will make things happen. So I feel like everything happens when it's supposed to. Don't rush. If it's not your time, bask in that winter or in that wilderness, be in there, pray, wait in prayer. I have patience, but when time comes, the Lord will see you through. Surely He will. So yes, guys, I just want to sit down with you one day and tell you, and just talk to you, women to women or women to men, or whoever my channel or my viewers are, whether majority is women or men, but just have a heart to heart, get to know each other a bit deeper, understand how we all think. And yeah, guys, please comment down below. Like, talk to me, guys. Don't just watch and go. Talk to me. I want to talk to you guys. I want to know you more. So the only way we can do that is if we talk down below, comment, let's engage, man. Let's talk. let's talk like friends. You can't be following what I'm going my life and then I don't know anything about you. You don't want to talk to me. Comment, guys. I don't bite. I really don't bite. I love talking a lot. So the only way you'd know is if you'd comment and see, let's start a conversation with me. Do something, do something, and I'll surely reply to you and talk to you guys. So yeah, let's go do what we need to do because your girl is forever talking. Your girl, whenever I get the opportunity to talk, I talk, guys. I don't stop, and I don't. Islitsole lana ndafadzi wethi apelimo guys. Walibona mara lalibona like are you sure you're seeing it properly like see like lalibona ne ish alonyo ndafadzi guys. So guys, I don't cook pap in this house. Like, I'm a princess. I don't do hard labor. I can be.
Yes, my love.
So Bay is cooking pipe. This is the food we gonna indulge now. Looking so good, guys. Okay, guys, we are done. See now, my kitchen is very clean. I like it like this. Yes. So, guys, what happened with this water is that the water killing me. Yes, guys, as I was saying, I got this water here because the water in this house gives me a very bad running stomach. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I don't even spend 2 seconds after drinking it. So normally what I would do is I would actually drink it chilled, like out on freezing. That one was like fine, yana. My stomach wouldn't be upset as much. But yeah, now that it's winter, it's hard for me to drink the cold water. So we had to get this water purely for me to drink it because this house water is like for me. But anyhow, I'm like that. Generally, I'm like that. I don't know which. Ever since I was born, or give me you know, because even when we went to Devon, like the whole time I had a hungry stomach. Yeah, I wish I had a running stomach, guys. The minute I drink water from wherever I am, if I'm not used to this place, the water will definitely give me a running stomach. So yeah, guys, it's late, much later in the evening. So we ate and chilled a bit. Now I wash dishes. My husband is multitasking. He's still making and watching soccer. Yeah. He's so serious, when yeah, later. Yeah. Hey, Motushu. Guys, if you see my mouth this, look at it. Don't blame me. Shumut. Whenever my mouth is shiny, he feels like, I don't know, it's an attraction for him. He comes running so bad. And now I'm left with a mouth like this. So it's not my fault, guys. Like, I try my best to come on camera looking presentable, but you know, there's this person in this house that does not like me looking good. He always wants to on a serious note, guys. Lawyer, on a serious note, guys, this person, behave yourself. Behave yourself. I'm filming. Behave yourself. So yeah, guys, I just came here. I just came here purely to say good night and to close off this vlog because hey, we tired this side. We tired. Like yo, we tired, guys. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. As I said earlier, please engage with me in the comment section. I love it so much. I love it to see that you finished the vlog and the part that you loved most. I love it interacting with you guys. So yeah, now let's just go prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Let us go prepare for tomorrow to go to work and get our beauty sleep because wow, this week, guys. Yeah, but anyways, I love you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends about me. I was on YouTube. She's always laughing. Nah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and turn on that notification bell that each time I upload, you're the first one to view it. I hope you loved my wedding vlog, guys. Please engage. So far it's doing good. So far people are liking it, and it's not for people, it was our day, and I'm hoping that our day would make people happy and yeah, give joy to people, man. Like, let us all smile, hey. Yes, guys. Okay, good night, guys. See you later. So guys, I know I said bye, but somebody said now I won't include it when it benefits me. So we are here for him to close off the vlog. Baby.
Hi guys. Bye guys. Making sure you're watching my phone too. But otherwise, I'll correct this side. Backing.
Bye, guys.